There you go. Hey. Wow. Today was really tough waking up.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Каролина.
It's a really late start today. Really late start. I brush my teeth here, eat breakfast here, invite my friends and family here, and he's cleaning his dirty shoes.
You invite your friends and family here?
Yeah. Hey, you should wash the dishes.
That's a lot of dishes.
All these dishes?
It's mine.
All
All mine.
I just don't understand people anymore.
Here, protein. I have no life. What?
So I'm going to go check out a car.
That's the car. That's the car.
You should just buy a new bike. Definitely not the best cook. Hey, what's the battery for?
Motorcycle.
Cool. Last night, Dago got stranded in the middle of the woods on his motorcycle. Now we gotta go find him, pick it up. But first, we gotta pick up the girls from the airport. Doesn't go right. I see Rosie over there. Hey guys, how's Mother Ukraine? Look at back, Rosie and Z are back.
We forgot our ticket, a different guy. She's like, we don't. He said there's no petrol here.
All right, bye girls.
Good.
We left that thing overnight here. I don't know how it's not stolen. Got the bike running. Now we gotta take it back home. All right, man, stay safe.
Will do. This thing right here. It's a piece of crap.
Okay.
Newsflash, this just in. Igor's an idiot. I have nothing to, I don't know what my name is.
Thanks for making me coffee. Hey, thanks for wasting my oxygen in this place.
So, making the perfect cup of coffee is all about the proper balance. Balance, making the equilibrium over roast and an under roast. And it's kind of like me,
Igor's mom.
Shank him. I got him on camera.
I'll die for her. F sharp minor.
Roxanne!
To B.
Hey, where are you going?
To D. I'm not telling you.
Brought the little guy to study for his pharmacy exams. You know, just a good father figure.